Nearly 4,000 years ago, on a rocky hill in what is now southern Spain, there stood a settlement that may have been one of the earliest known centers of power in Western Europe. This place is called La Almoloya. Today, the site remains silent. Only stone walls remain, narrow passageways and the ruins of a forgotten civilization. At the heart of the settlement is the Great Hall that has made La Almoloya famous. Many researchers believe it may have been a meeting place for the elite of society. A place where perhaps some of the most important decisions were made almost 4,000 years ago. Archaeologists have marked the positions of the pillars that once supported the roof. The roof disappeared long ago, and no one knows exactly what it looked like. But the arrangement of the pillars shows us that this building must have been much more complex than the ruins alone suggest. But the arrangement of the pillars shows us that this building must have been far more complex than the ruins alone suggest. From here, contemplating the landscape, it's easy to understand why La Almoloya continues to fascinate researchers and visitors. Almost 4,000 years ago, life unfolded among narrow passageways and houses built side by side. Here people worked, traded, governed, and also laid their dead to rest. While exploring the ruins, one soon discovers another striking detail. Inside many dwellings are large, square pits, some partially covered by enormous stone blocks. Archaeologists still don't know for sure what their function was. Perhaps they were used to store grain, food, or other valuable resources. Or perhaps they had a completely different purpose. In the El Argar culture, it was also common to bury the dead beneath the floors of dwellings. And some of these structures may have been related to those practices. But perhaps the most extraordinary discovery at La Almoloya appeared beneath the floor of this very room. Archaeologists found the tomb of a man and a woman buried together almost 4,000 years ago. Next to the woman was an exceptional silver diadem, one of the few known from the entire El Argar culture. This find has led some researchers to suggest that certain women may have played an important role within this society. We don't know for sure, but it is fascinating to imagine that some of the most important decisions of that era could have been made right here. Perhaps we will never know its entire history. But that is precisely what makes places like La Almoloya so fascinating. Every stone seems to hold a small fragment of a past we are still trying to understand. And although almost 4,000 years have passed, La Almoloya still holds many of its secrets.